To do this trend, you need to have Face application. You can download this application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application. Now add your photo from gallery. Now click on sizes and then choose Big Face. Now save the photo to gallery. Now after this, click the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. First add the fake photo and then the original. After adding the photos, click on Preview. Now check your video and then export. Now to add audio, go back to New Project and add the video you just exported. Now, first delete the end part and then add the audio you want to add in it. If you want my audio, you can get it from the link given below in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.